guys, today I will talk about how can you find messages on your SweetMeet app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it here. When you just click on it, then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on messages here, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this, and here you will find all messages you have, and here can you get message with this chat here. So that's all you have to do to find here messages. So that's all. I wish know you I get it, so just follow these ways that it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.